the A cover with protective film. To open the battery cover, push the top left corner as shown. Next, push the top right corner of the battery cover. Then push the camera lens and release the top end of the battery cover. Lift and remove the battery cover. If there is a battery inserted, remove it also. Unscrew the 4 Torx Plus size 6 screws as shown. Do not reuse. Discard them. To release the D cover, start from the bottom left corner. Use the SRT6 to release the 3 clips as shown. Next, release the 2 clips on the top end of the device. Release the 3 clips on the right side of the device as shown. Then, lift the D cover and remove it. Use the SS93 to open the touch panel connector as shown. Detach the touch panel flex gasket with the SS93. Remove and discard the touch panel flex gasket. To open the display connector, use the SS93 as shown. Open the 2 clips holding the engine board with the SRT6. Lift and remove the engine board. Lift the earpiece with the dental tool. Do not reuse the earpiece. Remove and discard the earpiece adhesive. Release the 4 clips holding the LCD bezel with the dental tool. Lift and remove the LCD bezel. To release the display, carefully press the top right corner of the A cover as shown. Be careful not to overbend the A cover. Next, carefully press the top left corner of the A cover as shown. Press also the middle part of the A cover. Next, press the A cover carefully and insert the SS93 between the display and the A cover. Push the SS93 slowly towards the bottom end. Carefully lift and remove the display. Check the adhesive on the touch panel and the tape on the display are not damaged. Check also the top end of the A cover, that it is not overbent or damaged. Use the protective film to protect the touch panel and the display. Push the camera lens with the sharp end of the SS93 as shown. Remove and discard the camera lens. Remove the camera lens adhesive. Do not reuse it. Use tweezers to remove the speaker mesh with gasket. Do not reuse. Discard it. Use the sharp end of the SS93 to lever the speaker. Remove the speaker gasket with a dental tool. Do not reuse it. Release the 4 clips holding the main antenna with the SS93. Remove the main antenna. Remove the P-sensor rubber. Use the SS93 to peel off the earpiece PET. Remove and discard the earpiece PET. Use the camera removal tool SS276 to remove the camera. Use the dental tool to lever the RF shielding lid. Remove and discard the RF shielding lid. The disassembly procedure. Remove the RF shielding lid from the protective package. Place the RF shielding lid into position with tweezers. Press the RF shielding lid with the SS93 to attach it to the engine board. Remove the camera from the protective package. Insert the camera into place. Make sure the camera pin is correctly aligned. Press the camera with the SS93 until the camera retaining clips are attached. Remove the earpiece PET protective tape. Place the earpiece PET into position. Follow the guide marks when aligning the earpiece PET. Press the earpiece PET with the SS93 to activate the adhesive. Insert the P-sensor rubber into place. Remove the other camera lens adhesive protective film. Remove the other camera lens protective film. Attach the camera lens adhesive to the camera lens. Make sure the alignment is correct. Remove the camera lens adhesive protective film. Place the camera lens into the D cover and push it to activate the adhesive. Attach the main antenna to the D cover. Make sure the 4 clips holding the main antenna are properly attached. Remove the speaker gasket protective film. Place the speaker gasket into the D cover. Note the alignment of the speaker gasket. Press the speaker gasket to activate the adhesive. Place the speaker into the D cover and press it with the SS93. Remove the speaker mesh with gasket protective film. Attach the speaker mesh with gasket into the D cover. Press it to activate the adhesive. Remove the A cover protective film. Remove the display protective film. Insert the display into the A cover, bottom end first. Lower down the display and press it gently from all sides to activate the adhesive. Gently press the display on the white plastic frame with the SS93 to activate the adhesive. Do not press the display on the center. Pressing the display on the center can result in faulty pixels. Place the LCD bezel into position. Make sure the LCD bezel hole at the bottom end is correctly aligned with the A cover pin. Press the LCD bezel to attach the 4 clips. Remove the earpiece adhesive protective film. Insert the earpiece adhesive into the A cover. Press it to activate the adhesive. Remove the protective film. Remove the earpiece from the protective package. Place the earpiece into position. Check that the earpiece pins are correctly aligned. Press the earpiece to activate the adhesive. Place the engine board into position. Gently press the engine board to attach the 2 clips. Use the SS93 to attach the display connector. Remove the touch panel flex gasket protective film. Use the guide marks when aligning the touch panel flex gasket. Press it gently to activate the adhesive. Attach the touch panel connector with the SS93. Place the D cover into position. Press the D cover on all sides to attach the clips. Make sure all the clips are properly attached. Fasten the 4 Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown using a torque of 14 Newton-centimeters. Remove the camera lens protective film. Place the battery cover and make sure it is properly attached. The assembly procedure